Craig, welcome. Let's start with Nvidia. Much in the news today. We talked fundamentals. What do the charts say? What's the trade?
Thanks, Tyler. Thanks for having me back.
You bet.
Despite today's 8% drop, there's really not been much technical damage that's been done on Nvidia. And from our perspective, if you look at the RSI, still is bullish at this point in time. There's good downside support around the 170 level. I can see upside back to the 196 level, and that really sets up a really positive, about 30% upside, 10% downside from where we're at. And yeah, Tyler, talking about the fundamentals, the top semiconductor analyst, Harsh Kumar, who happens to be here at Piper, he's still got an overweight on it, 235, and he thinks that the fundamental story is not broken. So we've got, Tyler, a stars and moon alignment here on Nvidia, and it should be bought.
All right, stars and the moon in alignment.
I'm guessing Palantir might be a different story, Craig. What do you think?
Absolutely. I think, after having an 80% drop in here, the shares have kindly started to find a bottom in here. Today's pullback's not really disrupting a lot from a technical perspective, but from our perspective, we'd be a buyer on the pullback, but we got a little bit more downside to go, around 940 to get back to the 50-day moving average. Kelly, I just note that any sort of weakness in the dollar would also be a big positive for Palantir, with about 40% of their business comes from outside the United States.
Wow. All right, let's look at the final name here, which is one of those meme stocks, Bed, Bath, and Beyond. I always like the Beyond department there at that store.
Yeah, it seems like up, and away at this point in time. But from a chart perspective, today's gap higher. It's running into major overhead resistance at the 200-day moving average at about 1427 on the chart. I just note that it's an extreme overbought condition on RSI. And when I look at charts like this and I see that kind of exhaustion type setup on the chart, this is where I want to start taking some profits and fading the stock. So I'd be fading the stock in here. Where would I change my mind? Any sort of move above that 200-day moving average is where I change my viewpoint.
Craig, quick question. What do you think accounts for sort of just the fact that meme stocks or that Bed Bath is popping at all today? I mean, we all understood when the economy was shut down, it was the pandemic and there was liquidity everywhere, but why now?
I think there's a sort of a lot of interest back in the market. I think people are starting to see the market starting to work again. You've seen this market get pretty beat up, and the breadth measures in the market got to extreme oversold readings. And I think people are looking at this market, whether it's professional investors, meme stocks, et cetera, and they realize now is the time to actually make some money in the market. And that's why I think you're starting to see some of these stocks coming back for these trading opportunities.
All right, Craig, thank you. Always good to have you on. Appreciate it. Craig Johnson.
Thank you.